Welcome back to Zootastic, your number one stop for the coolest creatures, the sneakiest snakes, and more scales than a dragon convention. Today, we're slithering into the world of a sleek, emerald green beauty that looks like it was designed by nature's finest fashion stylist. Say hello to the fast, fabulous, and seriously misunderstood Baron's Green Racer at the Allwetter Zoo Münster in Germany. Now, don't let the word racer scare you. Yes, this snake is quick, but it's not here to chase you down. The Baron's Green Racer is all about grace, agility, and looking incredibly cool while doing absolutely nothing. It's basically the supermodel of the reptile house, or in this case, the aquarium. Let's talk looks, because wow, this snake is long, slender, and covered in shimmering green scales that practically glow under the right light. And then, boom, those big round golden eyes with vertically slit pupils. They stare right at you like they know your deepest secrets. Creepy? A little. Awesome? Absolutely. Fun fact number one, Baron's Green Racers have a super unique feature, a pair of small horn-like scales just above their eyes. It gives them a kind of dragon meets elf meets mystery novel villain vibe, and it's not just for style, it actually helps break up their outline in the trees, making them harder to spot. Invisibility with flair. In the wild, you'll find them high up in the trees of Central and West Africa, where they spend their time weaving through branches like green spaghetti with a mission. They are arboreal, which means they live mostly in trees, using their powerful muscles and long body to balance, wrap, and slither with pinpoint precision. Here at the Allwetter Zoo Münster, the Baron's Green Racer lives in a lush, climate-controlled terrarium that mimics its natural forest habitat. It's filled with branches, vines, and enough hiding places to make even a ninja jealous. So yes, sometimes it takes a few minutes to spot them, but once you do, it's like finding a hidden treasure with scales. Fun fact number two, despite the name, the Baron's Green Racer isn't venomous to humans. They are technically mildly venomous, using their back teeth to subdue prey like lizards, frogs, and birds. But don't worry, they're not out to bite zoo visitors. You would have to be a frog and also extremely unlucky. When it comes to hunting, these snakes rely on their sharp vision and lighting reflexes, and they don't restrict like some other snakes. They strike, they grab and swallow whole, no chewing, no nonsense. And it's efficient, elegant, and extremely effective. Also a little terrifying if you're a gecko. And did I mention they are fast? Not cheetah on land fast, but for a snake in the trees, they move like they are late for a very important appointment. If you ever see one dash from branch to branch, it's less like slithering and more like gliding on pure confidence. Fun fact number three, their green color isn't just pretty, it's perfect camouflage. In a leafy jungle, they basically disappear. Their scales even reflect light in a way that makes them blend into the background. And it's like wearing a designer invisibility cloak, custom tailored by Mother Nature. Sadly, like many specialized species, Baron's Green Racers face threats in the wild due to habitat destruction and deforestation. Their forest homes are shrinking, and with them, so are the chances for these stunning snakes to thrive. That's why zoos like the Allwetter Zoo Münster play such a vital role, not only in giving these animals a safe environment, but also in helping educate visitors about how important even the creepiest, crawliest creatures are to our ecosystems. So the next time you visit the Allwetter Zoo Münster, don't rush past the reptile house. Take your time, look up, look sideways, try to spot the Baron's Green Racer hiding in plain sight. And if you catch those golden eyes looking back at you, smile. You've just met one of the zoo's most stylish, silent, and seriously cool residents. That's it for today's sensational, slippery, and scientifically fascinating episode of Zootastic. And if you had a blast learning about the Baron's Green Racer, make sure to subscribe, give us a snake-worthy thumbs up, and let us know in the comments which animal you would like us to slide into next. Until then, stay sharp, stay stealthy, and keep it totally zootastic.